Let me show you how you can install a new Laravel app in your local machine. Firstly, you're going to need XAMPP, which makes it easy to set up PHP development environment. So you go to Apache Friends and download the package, and then what you need to do after that, you just go on and then you turn on the Apache and then MySQL. So now let's go back to Laravel documentation, and then here what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down and make sure that you have a composer installed in your machine, and also you also need Laravel installer. And then after having Laravel installer, what you're going to do, you're going to run this command. So I'm gonna copy this command, and then I'm gonna go here on my folder that I'm going to install Laravel on, and then I'm going to right click and open up a terminal. So I'm going to open this, and then here I'm going to paste the command. So instead of naming this example app, I'm going to say my first Laravel app, and then I'm going to run the command. And then now it's going to ask me if I need a starter kit. So it's gonna ask me if I need Breeze or JStream. So actually Breeze is the starter kit that comes with authentication and yeah, let me just say authentication, and it's gonna come with Tailwind CSS installed, same as JStream. So I'm just gonna go on with Breeze at this moment. So I'm gonna say Breeze, and then now it's going to ask me which stack am I choosing. Is it Blade with Alpine, or Livewire, or React View, or just an API? So I'm going to select Livewire, and then now it's asking me if I need a support for dark mode, and then I'm just going to say no for now. And then let's talk about testing. Which like testing framework am I going to use? Is it PEST, PHP unit? Let's go with PEST. And then now, do you want to initialize Git or a Git repo? And then let me just say no for now. And then right now it's downloading all those packages and installing them. And then now it's going to ask me which database application would you want to use, and then I'm gonna go with my SQL for sure. And then now, do you want to like run the migrations? And then let's say yes. Now after installing Laravel, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear this. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to seed into the project. So we named it my first Laravel app. So I'm going to seed into my first Laravel and then app. And then right now I'm going to start the server, PHP artisan server. And then again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compile the assets. I'm gonna open up a terminal again, and then I'm going to run npm run dev. So right now I'm gonna go and copy this and then paste it on my browser. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove this. And then just like that, we have Laravel ready to go. What you can do right now, you can register your account and log in. So I'm just gonna quickly register an account. This is my name, Tanyani, and then email tanyani@gmail.com, and then I'm gonna have the password. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here, and then I'm going to register. And then right now I have logged in. I have this, so I'm able to log in because I installed Breeze. So that's why I'm able to log in. So let's just log out, and then you have your app ready to go. That's how easy it is to set up Laravel, to install and start building apps with Laravel.